Every project needs strong leadership and effective management. But do you know the difference between a team leader and a project manager? While both are crucial to project success, their focus and responsibility are quite distinct. In this video, we will explore what each role entails, how they differ, and how they work together to lead teams to success. The team leader is all about success. Their main responsibility is ensuring every team member feels supported, motivated, and productive. They foster strong relationship within the team, understand their needs, and help them overcome challenges. Additionally, team leaders are responsible for keeping morale high by recognizing both individual and group achievements. In times of conflict, they act as mediators, ensuring smooth communication and fostering harmony. With their focus on personal developments and team dynamics, the team leader serves as a vital pillar for project success. On the other hand, the project manager has a more strategic focus. Their job is to ensure the project runs smoothly from start to finish. They are responsible for creating project plans, setting objectives, and tracking progress to ensure everything stays on schedule. Project managers also handle budget, making sure resources are utilized efficiently and stay within limits. Moreover, they act as a bridge between the team and stakeholders, providing updates and securing approval when necessary. With their organized and analytical approach, project manager ensure every aspect of the project stays on track. While both roles are vital, the team leader and project manager focus on different aspects of a project. The team leader is more centered on interpersonal relationship and team dynamics, where the project manager prioritizes goals, budgets, and schedule. However, their role often complements each other. The team leader keeps the team motivated and working cohesively, while the project manager ensures that the project is executed efficiently. Together, they strike a balance between leading people and managing processes. Imagine a project without one of these roles. Without a team leader, team members might lose motivation and direction. Without a project manager, the project could go off schedule or exceed its budget. Both roles are complementary. The team leader fosters team harmony, while the project managers drive efficiency and ensures project success. Together, they are the key to achieving big goals and leading teams to victory. Leadership and management are two sides of the same coin. Whether you are a team leader leading with heart or a project manager strategizing with precision, both roles are essential for project success. So which role do you think suits you the best? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insightful content.